Welcome back to UiLover, guys. Check out this absolutely gorgeous, minimalist productivity app we are diving into today, built entirely with Kotlin and Jetpack Compose. Just look at this layout. We've got a sleek dark mode with striking neon orange accents, a fully custom Pomodoro timer dial, a stunning habit tracker with visual streak indicators, and a super clean task management list. It is pure eye candy, and today you are going to see exactly how it ticks. All right, let's slow things down for a sec and talk about what we have here. What you are seeing running on this emulator is a pure front-end masterpiece. I have designed this layout using the power of Jetpack Compose to give you that buttery smooth, modern Android experience. We have crafted 4 distinct screens: the main focus timer dashboard, the detailed habits page showing your completion rates, a beautiful settings screen for user preferences, and a prioritized tasks list. Now, I want to be super clear about something right off the bat. This is strictly a UI tutorial, which means it is the perfect blank canvas for your own backend logic. The interface is fully mocked up and ready to go. You can hook this up to Firebase, implement a local room database, or connect it to whatever custom REST API you prefer. There are a few spots where you will need to add your own functional code to bring it fully to life, but the heavy lifting on the design side is completely done for you. So, what is the game plan for the rest of this video? In just a few moments, in part 2 of this video, I am going to open up Android Studio and reveal absolutely every single class and component used in this project. I will display the raw Kotlin files right here on the screen, one by one. All you have to do is hit the pause button on the YouTube player, grab your keyboard, and type the code out for yourself. It is honestly one of the best ways to build muscle memory and truly understand how Compose works. I will walk you through the main screens, the custom composables, and files like main activity KT without missing a beat. But I completely get it. We are all super busy developers. Sometimes you just do not have the time or the energy to sit there, pausing a video and typing out hundreds of lines of code manually. If you want to skip the grind and instantly grab the complete, ready-to-run source code, you need to join our channel membership. By becoming a member, you get immediate download access to all the project files. But that is not all. Members also unlock an exclusive premium tutorial where I demonstrate exactly how to build this entire project from scratch in Android Studio using the incredible power of Cursor AI. It will seriously supercharge your development workflow. So, if you are ready, smash that like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and let's jump right into the architecture. All right, guys, welcome to part 2. This is where the magic happens. I have Android Studio open right now, and I am going to walk you through the entire Jetpack Compose codebase. As I open each Kotlin file, from the theme definitions to the main dashboard UI, go ahead and pause the video. Take your time, set up your own project, and type these codes out line by line. Trust me, it is the absolute best way to build muscle memory and master Compose. Now, just a quick reminder before we get too deep. This is a dedicated UI and front-end masterclass. You have total freedom to plug in your own backend. Whether you want to use Firebase, a local database, or a custom API, it is completely up to you. There are a few placeholders and dummy functions in here, so you will need to roll up your sleeves and complete the logic to make it a fully functional production app. But hey, let's be real for a second. Staring at a screen, pausing every 5 seconds, and typing out long UI prompts and complex code blocks manually can be exhausting. If you do not have the patience for all that manual typing, or if you just want to grab the complete source code right this second, you need to check out the channel membership. When you join as a member, you get instant access to the entire repository. And here is the best part. The membership includes a highly requested exclusive tutorial showing you exactly how I built this entire project in Android Studio using the sheer power of Cursor AI. It is a total game changer for your productivity. So, make the smart move, hit that join button, subscribe to the channel, and let's keep building awesome things together.